Have a good day to my all friends, followers, listeners over you all. Hope all will be fine and doing very awesome. Today going to show you again step index robot awesome work. It's really making profit. Again today this is a real account. This is a real account. We made deposit of $100 and it started this robot. It's really making profit continuously and we're looking. It's a good true tool. Look here, the real account, $100 deposit, and what would made today $52. Look here, the $52 is the profit. Okay, and continuously with proper risk management. Okay, guys, and look here, the awesome work robot did. It's really a good performance of today. The $52 the Sunday, 22/11/2020. Look here, 22 Sunday, and it's working very cool, very awesome. Okay, guys, I continuously made good profit. This robot is working very good. We again tested on $100 account, and it's making continuously profit. Okay, this is real account. Again, you can see I'm recording the video on this account to show you how this thing is working. Okay, guys, I hope you guys seen our work. The $52 is the 2-day profit on $100 account. The real account, the step index robot, it's all auto. Okay, this is all auto, not by someone. This is auto trading robot, and it's working based on money management. Okay, so if you guys interested, feel free contact and purchase the robot, enjoy the money and make profit. Thank you, have a great day.